When there's a fire, cactus like the iconic saguaro typically have their skin singed and sometimes can't recover. But if there's a fire with buffelgrass, it's going to burn hotter and faster, and oftentimes they burst into flames. Buffelgrass is native to African, Middle Eastern, Australian, and Asian savanna grasslands. In the Southwest, it's considered an invasive bunchgrass. In Arizona, it's also listed as a noxious weed and is subject to regulations. Buffelgrass was originally brought to the Southwest for cattle feed and soil erosion control. As you can see in this picture, it's excellent at filling in the landscape. Typically in a desert landscape, there's going to be a lot of space in between native plants, but buffelgrass is filling it in like a blanket. Buffelgrass outcompetes native species, and it grows faster than native plants. Water is a limiting resource in the desert, and buffelgrass is excellent at utilizing that resource. It can also grow anywhere, including roadsides or in the furthest back countries. Buffelgrass natively lives in places where there's a lot of fire, so buffelgrass loves fire and actually can come back stronger after a fire. This is an issue because native Sonoran Desert and other southwestern plants are typically not fire adapted. Buffelgrass is an issue for local ecology because it's choking out native plants in their native habitat. It's also changing fire regimes, and these fires threaten human safety. Another big issue is that buffelgrass is starting to transform local ecosystems into grasslands. Buffelgrass is being mitigated. It's a pervasive threat. A lot of the land managers think that we cannot get rid of it at this point, but what they are doing is spraying herbicide on greening plants. When plants are more desiccated or brown, they're manually removing the plants and pulling up the root structure. That's important, otherwise the plant just comes back. More funding is needed for land managers to continue their work. And they also stress that public awareness and citizen action, including volunteer work in terms of manually removing the buffelgrass or identifying it in local communities.